Hello and welcome everybody. In today's video, we're gonna learn about how to change our Instagram password. And before starting our video, please do make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Instagram. There we have our page. Click all the way at the bottom your Instagram page icon. Then you will see on top of your page a three-lined icon. Click it. Go to settings and we will go directly to security. Then we have an option called password. Now just type your current password, then type your new password. Now just click on this blue right button, and there we go, our password is changed. Hope this video helped you guys, and please do leave comments below so we can make other videos according to your need. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye. Thank you.